everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Amber and this is About That Mama Life. Today we are going to be talking about the best purchases I made in 2020 on Amazon. So this is going to be a two-part video. I had so much good stuff and I didn't want this video to be like 2 hours long. So today we're going to be talking about household and beauty items. And in the next video, I'll do more like bath and kids stuff. So let's get into the best purchases I made in 2020 on Amazon. I'm gonna get to the good stuff right now. If you only buy one thing from this whole list, this is the thing. This is the Vibe Pro. Check this buddy out. What it is a percussion back massager. This whole nother level. Let me turn it on so you can check it out. Flips on. That's on 4, 5, 6. Check this thing out. Can you see that? So basically, this is a percussion massage gun. You charge it up, you get roughly 3 hours of battery life, which is amazing. This is my favorite. It's the most gentle. It's the soft ball, but it comes with this like really nice case. All of these different attachments in there. There are some metal attachments, there are some plastic attachments, and they all do different things. And amazing. If you're gonna buy one thing from this list, buy the Vibe Pro. I'm going to link everything down below where you can get this. I'm going to refrain from giving exact prices because they do differ. I'm going to give you an overall. So I bought this for Christmas and I want to say it was under $200. Between $150 and $200. I know that's a bit of a steep price point, but if something like this fits in your budget, I highly recommend it. Run, don't walk, throw this in your Amazon cart, thank me later, trust me. So next item I want to talk about are these Bluetooth headphones from Trainia. This is the second pair of these that I bought. This is the next up model, so it's a newer model, but I bought 2 of these so far and I've loved them both. They just pop out of this little charging case and they're just little ear pods. They just pop right in your ear. I go jogging with these. They don't fall out of my ears. They stay in really, really comfortably. I have very small ears, so it's hard to find comfortable headphones, and they're just amazing. Great sound quality, easy to pair, pop in your ears, fully wireless, hands-free. Great battery life, great sound, and they're like somewhere around 50 bucks. You really cannot beat these. So if you need a good pair of Bluetooth headphones, trust Trainia, however you pronounce it, they got you. Next item on my list is not as sexy, but let me tell you, this is useful. This is a lap desk. So it's just like a little pillow, and you just sit it like on your lap or on the bed or wherever you're at. And it's got a little cup holder for your drinks, or you can throw, you know, whatever you want in there. Throw your laptop on it and you can do your work from anywhere. I love this. It comes in handy. It's cute. It's marble. And it's just really, really nice quality. It was somewhere around 30 bucks for this, and it comes in handy. It's so useful. Okay, next item. Before I show you, let me ask you a question. How many of you have a million throw pillows in your house and you just keep accumulating throw pillows? Guilty? Me too. Let me change your life. These are not throw pillows, but they will give your throw pillows a new life. They're just covers. I bought this set to actually match this throw blanket, and it's got kind of the cable knit pattern. They're just little covers. This is what my throw pillow looks like inside. It fits your standard throw pillow size. They just zip up. You can wash them. They are Just gorgeous, great quality, somewhere around $15 for the pair, and they just give your throw pillows new life. So if you have a million throw pillows around your house, don't buy another one, just buy new covers, give them new life, give your house a little redecorate. That's what I did, and trust me, these are beautiful. Love them. Last household item before we get into beauty is this Trainia salted caramel syrup. I'm drinking an iced coffee right now. If you guys haven't seen my homemade coffee house caramel iced coffee tutorial, I will link that below. It is super easy and it is so affordable. If you just get the salted caramel syrup and make your own iced coffees, they taste as good, if not better, because you can customize them to your taste. Just as good as the coffee house like Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts type coffee at home. This, I do get the full sugar ones. I don't really like the aftertaste of sugar-free. They do have all these same flavors in sugar-free though, so definitely get what you love. But for 2 tablespoons, it's 100 calories. I only really use 1 tablespoon because it's very sweet. So not only can I get a delicious drink, but it's a lot lower calorie than if you go to the coffee house. This is my favorite flavor. I buy them in the 4-pack now. They last me forever because a little bit of this goes a long way, but it will up your coffee game. Trust me, these are amazing. I have 2 more household type items that I was not going to drag in here from my kitchen, so I'm going to insert some little video clips of them. But one is this Cosori air fryer. Let me tell you, this air fryer is my #1 most used appliance, and if I only had to pick one thing, it would be this one. It has touchscreen, you can adjust the temperature and the time. It has presets loaded in there. It is just so easy to use and makes your food so crispy without any oil. I'm doing my favorite oil-free crispy potatoes. The basket removes and just pops out. It's easy to clean. It makes your food crispy. It is faster than an oven. And let me tell you, if you've been thinking about an air fryer, pull the trigger. This one is bomb. I bought this for about $100 and I have used it literally every day since I bought it, multiple times a day. I love this thing. I hardly ever use my oven anymore. If you do anything from frozen, it is a must-have. And all in all, it just creates the best texture and crispiness in your food with minimal amounts of time or effort versus using a stovetop or an oven. So if you were interested in an air fryer, you want something that's easy to clean, reliable, just all around impressive, then check out the Cosori. I've already convinced my dad to buy one, and I gave one to my cousin as a Christmas gift this year, and both of them love it. So check it out. The last household item is this blender. This is the Clean Blend. Now, I've never used a Vitamix, but I bought this because I couldn't afford the price tag of a Vitamix, and it does everything I possibly could have wanted. It blends things perfectly smooth, and it's just an amazing high power blender at a great affordable cost. I was looking for something like a Vitamix without having to pay the hundreds of dollars that come with a Vitamix, and I found it in the Clean Blend. It creates the best sauces, the best beans, the best smoothies. It's easy to clean, it's a great price point, and it's just been amazing. I use it all the time, love it. So if you want something like a Vitamix, but you can't really shell out that price tag, check out the Clean Blend. Okay, so if you only buy one thing from beauty, this is the one thing. Well, it's 2, but it came together. This is the Amelie Builder Gel and Gel Top Coat. These have blown me away. It was $10 for this pair. I've already gotten at least 5 manicures out of it, and I haven't even tapped into it. So I know this is gonna last me a long time. The builder base is amazing. I have a tutorial using it. I will link it below. This top coat has become my new favorite gel top coat. I topped this Dip Mani a week ago, and it's just now starting to crack up on me. It's time for me to redo my nails, so don't pay attention to my cracked up nails. But these have blown me away. I'm not going to talk about them forever. I have another video where I do, so check that out if you want to know more about the builder gel. But for $10, this is going to up your nail game significantly. Next, I got to get a shout out to my youth skincare. This is the retinol serum with hyaluronic acid, and this is the retinol eye cream with hyaluronic acid. I'm still testing these out, and I do really, really like them. For years, I've been using the youth hyaluronic acid serum, loving it. So if you want great serums, especially at an affordable price that actually give you a glow and actually work, I highly recommend the youth skincare serums. They are awesome. So this is a 4-piece set. There's actually another piece that's a small file that's in my purse, but what it is are the glass files. Mine are well loved. This is the large one. The small one is about half the size. It also comes with a glass cuticle stick and cuticle pusher, which I use this one the most. And then it also comes with a big foot file as well. I love these. I use them all the time. Super good quality, and this was around $20–25 when I bought it, and I've just loved it. I use it all the time. It's amazing. Alright, that is all the products I have for this video today. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. I will be doing a part 2 where I'll be listing more of my bath type items and kids items. I have a lot of really cool stuff. If you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up. And thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.